Here I am again, 14 seconds after my last one. I got that fucking thing off of there, okay? This is the rotor. It was just, see, the emergency brake. You see these grooves in my fucking drum surface here? This is called a brake drum, kind of. Now, we got brake shoes on here. And when you step on the brake, there's some mechanical advantages that go on, and these spread out and put pressure on that brake drum. That's how the emergency brake works. And they're fouling up somehow. Am I wrong?
I don't see anything wrong.
I don't see anything broken, because I just replaced those brake shoes. What? I don't know. When I got the car, how many years ago was that?
These aren't grooved at all. Go hit the brake, emergency brake. I just want to see if that it's enclosed is right.
All right. See, he's figuring this out step by step. That's how he does it professionally. I'm just going to give it a couple of clicks. Say when.
That's working fine. Okay, let it release. Yeah, it's going right back up.
Spring sucked them back in. Now, I was about 99.5% positive that the noise was coming from this side, but while I got the other side up in the air, go ahead and pull that side off too, because I was inside the vehicle sticking my head out the window driving down the freeway at 60 miles an hour when I was hearing that squeal and squeal.
You may have to take a wire brush and clean these up.
Yeah, I was looking at those and put some brake stuff on them. Lubricant, grease. Yeah. But I don't think that had anything to do with it, because no matter my stepping on the pedal didn't make a dent in the noise. It was always there at a certain speed. And then, like I said, I crawled under there and I pulled.
This is four-wheel drive too, so you have a CV joint there.
Yes. I'm not going to start it and put it in gear, because last time I did that and the tires went on the ground, all of my systems went fucking haywire. It's all computer controlled. ABS, you don't do that, okay? If you got a newer car, you got to jack that in the air and you want to see if something's, working right, don't fire up your vehicle and put it in gear and let the wheels free spool, because the sensors will sense that something ain't right. There's no traction anywhere. This fucking thing's out of control. The traction control goes, oh fuck, this guy's spinning out of control. Fucking lock it all up. Shut it down. Shut it down. Emergency fucking procedures engaged. And every light on the dash comes on, and then you can't even get your car started. This is not a joke, because that's what happened to me, and I was freaked out. But my dad said, settle down. We got you covered. Now, if that had been me, I have exactly 2 minutes of space remaining. No, 3. Looks like I'm going to have to hit the old delete button on a number of videos. Luckily enough, I've got them uploaded into the old Facebook Ariski there, and they'll be there forever. So I'm not too worried about them. I'm going to delete a whole bunch of shit that I've already shared, and probably some more shit that's not any good. I have to view and, edit and do all of that stuff and figure out what I'm going to post and what I'm not going to post, and throw everything in the garbage that I'm not going to post. Okay, so now that was a little educational program for you today there on how to raise a car up in the air properly and how to inspect your brakes. You know what I mean? I'm glad I came over here. Dad's got the tools, the facilities, and the know-how to get the job done right, and I don't have at least 2 of those, those things available to me right now, but I will in the future. All right, ladies and gentlemen, God bless you. Have a good day.